the administration of books was usually handled by a committee of friends of his. Often his brother-in-law, Sholem Shtern, Schiffer's husband, was kind of the secretary. They raised money for him to put the books out. He got grants from various organizations. He was very active in promoting his own work. He was not shy about his own work. When he used to go to his private lessons, he would take his books with him because he would think that on the bus sometimes he would run into somebody who might be a reader. It was important to have a book to show him. So, and once in a while he would come home without a book that he'd taken with him on the bus. So I came across a word of his which I hadn't known in Schreiberwissenschaften called reklamafdik, which means shy, not wanting to put yourself forward. That wasn't him. He put himself forward. So, in retrospect, a good quality. Even though, at the time I thought, it's maddening, go up and talk to strangers. Here's my book, have a book, are you a reader? Are you interested in this? But he wasn't shy about his work and stuff. He also didn't mind talking to strangers, which often much to my chagrin. I mean, he liked to know people's stories, So, if you ran into him on the street or on a bus, you overheard a conversation, he'd strike up a conversation, he'd be going, oh, Dad, come on, you're embarrassing me here, you don't just do this, but bank tellers became his best friends, tell me all about yourself. Anyhow, that's what he was like.